Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Django inline forms. So let's get started. We have a class called department, models.model, with a name, model, email equals models.email field, no max length. Then let's return HTML. Okay. To make it readable. Okay. So return self.name. Okay. Then a class employee which has models.model. Yes, model.model. With the first name, model.child, max length of 200. Last name, max length of 200. Email equals to models.email flow. And a contact, employee contact equals to models.child flow. The max length of 15. Now equals true, blank equals true. Okay, let's go into our admin.py file and register this our model. The name of the app we are working is called Inline. The name of the app is called Inline. So let's get started. I'm going to import our models here. So I'll say from Inline, which is the name of our app, dot models, import department and employee. Okay, so let's register this inside our admin page to see how it looks like. Admin.site.register department and employee. Okay, this will not work, so let's convert this into a list. Okay, so let's check our admin page to see if we have these values. I've already made migrations. What is it? Okay, so let's make the migrations, then migrate. Yes, I've created the app, and then I've created a super user, and the name of our super user is called man. So let's quickly go into our admin page to see how it looks like. Okay, so now we have departments and employees. In the department, I have two departments, one called sales and one called computer science. And when it comes to the employees, I have this employee. So this employee object, let's correct that now. Realize when we came here, we added a danda.stl, and we return self.name. When we come to the employees, we need to do the same thing over here. So I will say, I'm going to format this to string format, string. So we have self.first name and self.last name over here. So we are not, if I refresh this, we are not going to see the object is showing over there. So this employee is called Iman, and the last name is last name. I'm going to save this. Okay, the name is called last name. Sometimes people do this. They'll go ahead and say name, which is then this name of the employee, and they'll come here and say department, which will return self.department. Okay, so let's put our department here quickly. Go to department, models.cascade. Okay, this cascade simply means when we delete this cascade simply means when we delete a department, all the employees inside that particular department should also be deleted. which is based on the design of what you are doing. We can also say set now over here. When we set now over here, meaning when a department is deleted, you should just set this department field to now without deleting all these employees from the database. When we set now equals true, then we need to set now equals true over here. When we say on delete equals models.set now or models.do nothing, we need to set now equals true over here. But when we say models.cascade, when we do models.cascade, we don't have to set now equals true, because when this department is deleted, it's going with all of the employees under this department. Okay, before what I was talking about, people will do, when they are returning over here, they will do name, then the name of the employee, the department, then the string format is going to show this department over here. Okay, so let's check our admin page. When I refresh this, we are having, because I've not made migrations for our department field. So let me do that right now. Okay, Django is complaining. So let me set now equals true to be able to do migrations without setting a default value. Okay, then I'll migrate. Okay, when we refresh this and we go into our admin page, we are going to say name, department, none, because this department we set it to none. So if I choose computer science right now and I save and continue, or I go to employees, we realize it's going name, then first name of the employee, the last name of the employee, and department computer science, as we did exactly over here. So this software department is getting this value from here. I don't think this is ideal to do. That's why Django Inline is very important to use. Okay, so instead of doing this, let's get rid of all of this, and then also get rid of this. Okay, then we go into our admin page and also comment out this. Okay, so what we have to do right now is to create a class called employee inline. This department inline. This is a Django convention. Then we'll say admin dot tabular admin. We also have what is known as the stack inline. Okay, but I like to use tabular inline. You can choose whichever way you are comfortable with. When you specify a tabular inline, this will be expecting an attribute of model. This, when we specify this as an inline, it will be expecting an attribute of model pointing to which model. Example, when I come here and I do pass, and I come to class department, which is the foreign key to the employees. Okay, when I do admin dot model admin over here, and I go ahead and register this dot a decorator of register of department admin. This is a Django convention, and I registered this over here. You realize we are not registering this. We are not registering the employee inline, but we are registering the department, because the employees inherit from the department. Employees are under department. Department is not under an employee. Okay, so when I say admin.model admin, I don't need to specify any attribute over here. All I can do is to do, if there are multiple values under this, I could say list display. I could say list display link, this editable field, all of this. I can do this exactly under this and this as well. But over here, it wouldn't expect a model because I've already registered this over here. So what it's only looking for is an inline over here. Inline equals to a list of employee inline over here. Django will complain that must have a model and say admin employee inline must have a model attribute. That's what I was talking about. So you need to specify a model over here and say employee, and it's going to work fantastic. Okay, you realize we are registering only the department because all the employees falls under a department. Okay, when we go into our admin page and go to the home page, realize we are saying only the departments over here. Okay, when I open this, it's going to show only the department available. When I open computer science, it's going to give me this interface. By default, Django will give you 3 instances, 1, 2, 3. But because we have one employee already here, it's going to show the employee, making it 4. So if we have 2, it's going to show 5. If we have 3, it's going to show 6. If we go to the department and I go to sales, it's showing only 3 by default. We can override this to make Django show X number that we want. Example, when I go to the employee inline, I can say extra equals to what? Extra equals to a number that we want. I can decide to specify 10, as in Django, give me 10 extra fields when I click on the department. So when I go to the admin page and refresh this, Django is going to show 10 of this. So you realize this will make adding more employees to a department more easier than what we did before. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel and watch out for more. Thank you. Bye bye.